Hello and welcome to Vantage Technology webinar. Today we have a very interesting topic, MuleSoft Intelligent Document Processing. So before starting this topic, let me introduce myself. My name is Rajnish Kumar. I'm the CTO of Vantage Technology. I'm the MuleSoft ambassador as well as AI advocate and inference award winner. So let's jump onto this today interesting topic, MuleSoft Intelligent Document Processing, MuleSoft IDP. Why you need a scalable document processing solution? That's your first question. Whenever you are starting any of your project related with the intelligent document processing, the first question arises: why you need this document processing solution? Where I can use it? This document process solution is. So MuleSoft basically is working on a couple of their partner and then enabling this feature for you to enable some of the use case so that it will really useful for you in the AI world is. So in this recent year, the integration and automation market has witnessed rapid growth and evolution, with the companies increasing the adoption of IDP as a part of their broader RPA or automation strategies. So start with the thing is why we need. So processing a substantial volume and variety of document demand. That's the first use case you can take care whenever you are thinking about the IDP solution. So in this one, we are we are reducing the significant of human hours, because you no need to worry, you no need to go through the each and every document and each of every document field, and then automatically IDP will take care all these use cases, or these are the field within your organizations. Second is legacy system struggle to work with evolving tech stack, and AI solution makes your end-to-end document automation difficult to achieve. This is a use case you can enable this feature is. Third one is the makeshift point-to-point solution result in inefficient and non-scalable return of AI. That is where you are thinking like you can enable this IDP process within your organization is. So basically you are trying to achieve the faster ROI, reliable and easy maintain your document, and you are also trying to figure out how we can tap some of the unstructured data within your workflow, and then you can enable those information to your customer quickly. So what is intelligent document processing? So next question it will arise for you is, what is IDP? Why we need? What is the use case of that one is? So basically intelligent document, why it is called the intelligent document? Because it uses a technology like OCR, ICR, NLP, machine learning and computer vision. It's all inclusive, this all technology inclusive. If you are familiar a little bit of the AI or machine learning kind of thing, you already know this term. OCR is optical CR, like NLP, natural language processing, machine learning and computer vision. So this provides the business with the flexibility to enhance the customer and employee experience by delivering the intelligent automation anywhere. So basically first your step is you are taking the document and taking into the capture the unstructured data and semi-structured document is. Second is document extraction. So in this, using this technology, you are extracting some of the information, intelligent processing, organized document content is. Third one is data structuring. Since this is unstructured data, you are extracting those information from unstructured data and making sure that is available for you. So this is transforming from unstructured data into the structured data and enable for your workflow. That is an important piece of this part is. And last but not least is integration and action. Once this information is available, so it is easy to integrate within your system is. So those unstructured information is available for you now, and then you can enable for a different use case or different customer. That is and is very easily accessible through the IDPs. So what are the things we are achieving from this all step is we are delivering the intelligent document anywhere, replace manual data entry with the AI powered IDP, extracting and structuring document intelligent from any format, including the image or PDFs. Second is saving time out of the boxes. So since your all hard work like manual process is being taken care by the IDP, there you need this intelligent document processing. It extracts those information from those unstructured data. You don't need to go to the manual, look into those fields from those unstructured document, and then it will enable for you. It saves a lot of your time within your organization, within your human power, and enhance their performance within your organization. And then third one, what is we are getting is making a document processing simple for everyone. Since all your hard work is getting done by the IDP, now this document is making available this information to everyone, so that everyone life has so easy, so that then on the fingertip they extract those information. They can get those information without going through the hours of those field information, extracting from those document manually. So these are the things you can achieve. So conventional. So where IDP falls, why it is need in the IDP? Basically traditional technology such as OCR or custom AI model have long attempt to track document processing challenges. However, they face a limitation in scalability, constrained by the structured data format and extensive training requirement. Moreover, their inability to handle diverse document type and lack of robust data validation often lead to accuracy concern. Integrating these technology with the legacy system possesses additional challenges, makes seamlessly implementation and daunting tasks. So that's where it's falling short for the OCR technology, and there where the IDP is helping. Like if you look for the optical OCR, where the OCR is optical recognition, optical character recognition, where the so in this in traditional OCR, these are the challenges, these are the constraints you are facing, like a structured data dependency, flexibility constraint, accuracy concern, lack of data validation, integration and downstream system AI innovation challenges. These are the challenges with whenever you are going with the traditional OCR technology is, and that's where your IDP is helping. Custom, and also is whenever you are custom trained AI model, these are the constraints you are facing, and IDP is helping on that front. So intelligent document processing, what is that one is basically is extract the structure data faster in any format with the AI power and accuracies. So what are the different use cases or what are the different benefit of this one is maximize efficiency, minimize cost. That is one of the biggest benefit of IDP. So is automate the entire document life cycle and incorporate manual review when necessary. That is always be whenever you are working on any of AI project, always be human in loop is a paramount is. So whenever you see like you set some threshold, like if your confidence level is falling behind the like 80% or 90%, you want to involve into your human in loop. There it is helping to the IDPs. As soon as is your threshold confidence level is more than 80%, it is going through your automation process without human in loop processes. So there it is helping. So it is minimizing the cost, saving a lot of time to your employee or to your organization human hour. Second is automated complete workflow beyond document. So seamlessly integrate, extract data and document downstream system for a fully streamlined workflow is there. It help this information is. And last but not least is accelerate time to market. Now, since everything on the fingertip, tip. You can extract those information on button click and get those information and enable your use case for your customer, and then it is easy to go to the market immediately without going through the multiple cycle of human checklist. So basically maximize efficiency and minimize cost. That is the main thing. Is some of the example I can take about this one is whole process is, suppose that if you are working on any fintech environment, or you are working on the any of the financial, suppose that you are working on any financial loan, you have to go through the lot of document processing, where you have to manually go through those information, making sure that everything is being done. Or if you are working on the insurance side, any insurance like a automotive insurance or health insurance, you have to go to the lot of document processing, make sure that all document is correct and compliance with the company requirement. So that is where your IDPs help on the doing that use cases. I take this few example about this use case, but it's not limited to this industries. If you're working on the retail industry, is the same thing. If you're working on the manufacturing, is the same thing. Is, or you are working on the any of your industries, which wherever you need a lot of document, this IDP will really help you to enable your workflow and maximize your output is. So let's jump on the what is a IDP, how it is working with the IDP. So whenever any document is coming, document builder come in picture. So IDP first OCR use the AWS test extract. So if you as soon as add the natural language prompt to classify or extract from there through the OCR AWS test extract, and then it is going to the OCR, and then second step is OCR is extract those information. OCR is combining or extracting the text along with the user provided prompt and embedded into the prompt template that is managed within IDPs. So now second is like, now this is a prompt is coming in picture. So this entire prompt is then submitted to the Einstein LLM. If you see like this, where this all prompt is submitted in the Chat GPT or anywhere, whatever the LLM you're using, or is your own LLM, through the Agentforce trust layer, it is being submitted in the LLM, and the entire prompt then submitted into the LLM and trust layer, and then it's making sure that your compliances and security is taking care through this information is. Now here you can configure your whole process through the different compliances, like what I mentioned is model configurability, PII masking, language translation, everything is being taken care automatically as soon as you configure within any platform. Like I want to PII masking, so wherever you are seeing like any SSN number or any of your sensitive information, it immediately masks your information through this feature. And once this is available, so the result return and then normalizes all information and available to your customer or available to your use case or workflow, and then you can take the decision based on the whatever information is available for you through this document is. Suppose that you are working on the insurance side and somebody is scanning to their driving license. That's a use case we took over here is, and then you are extracting those information. Those information is validated through your official website, and once you get it done, and then you can immediately approve their loan is. That's where you can take this whole IDP process within your organization. So whatever time it was taking for like months, now it is cut down by the half or more than half, and then your whole process is automation, no human involved, and then your whole experience is seamlessly enabled through this integration. So what are the things is helping, like what are the use cases? Basically is data extraction. it extract the data from your document and enable for you. Second is classification. You can classify those data, whether it is a PII or compliance or any of like a SSN number or driving license number, anything that you can classify those data based on that one. And then summary, last the summary is go beyond the extraction and classification and summarize and interferences. There's it's helping. So this is where IDP is helping classify, extract, and summarize your document within a one click. So this is, I put the one high level diagram for the IDP. If you look for the how it is, I'm just stopping. I'm going through the, this is how it is working, Salesforce. This is where it is helping your whole flow. So here is Salesforce coming the pictures, flow, everything is coming picture whenever you're working. It's MuleSoft flow, your Salesforce flow, if you're working the Salesforce environment, or you can independently use it without using the Salesforce. Just use the MuleSoft IDP and you can call their API. It is available for you and then you can enable within your organization. So this is a whole architecture diagram, how it is working within it. This is your underneath the different system layer, and this is your RPF flow, how it is working. So this all is one diagram. It is well explained over here. So this is what IDP how work behind the scene is. This is another diagram. I just put it over here is how invoice automation flow with the IDP and plus AnyPoint perform is. So this is IDP, use invoice model and configure the extract data from the document, whether it is a found or error based on that one. If it is a error, you are getting a notification. If there is a information correct, you can, if there is something issue, then you can fix and each of your invoices. Similarly, it is going to the AnyPoint perform, you're reading the Gmail and then download the invoices, submit your invoice to do the action. So this is a workflow, and then it's going to the NetSuite. This information is going to the NetSuite, is like how it is working. So here is human involved, human in loop is involved. If you can want to fix it, or you can just approve it that document and go to the NetSuite. So this is a small diagram. I just put it over here. So let's jump on the demo. We will go through the demo how you can configure IDP for your environment, or how you can stack the data from the any document through the IDP. So now let's jump on the demo part. Demo for the intelligent document processing. So IDP. So as soon as you log in into the AnyPoint platform, you can land to this landing page of the AnyPoint platform. So at the bottom or in the right hand side, you can see there is an automation box over here where you can see the intelligent document processing option. If you're not seeing this box, it means your automation package is not enabled for your AnyPoint platform. You have to request for the account executive. They will enable for you this automation package. As soon as it enable for you, then you can start using this intelligent document processing, or you can request only for this product to enable for your AnyPoint platform, and then they will do it for you. So let's jump onto this intelligent document processing part. So as soon as you log in, and you can see like get started. So just click this one, and you can land to the intelligent document processing landing pages. I would like to mention a couple of things over here. In the left hand side, you can see the home, document action, what document you want to get it done, and then review task. Review task is basically as soon as you see there is a confidence level in your document is less than your thresholds, whatever you set your threshold, it will below, then it will come over here, and then review task will come. Or you can define your workflow for the review task. That is a couple of things you can do it. So let's start. Before starting, make sure that you have everything is document is in hand, and then you can start working on your document is. So if you click the create new, you can see a couple of options over here. Invoice, the select type is invoice, purchase order, generic. So invoice and purchase order is inbuilt template which you can directly use for your application or your workflows. So invoice is, suppose that you are working on any of invoice document, just directly use this template and then it will populate for you this field if it is in your document. To those fields are there, like invoice date, invoice number, purchase order, PO number, everything is listed over here. Whatever it's supposed to be in invoice, everything is listed. Buyer, bill to, ship to, these are signature. So these are the things already populated for you. Similarly, purchase order is already some of the field in build. You can use it in build feature, like ship via FOP, carrier, tax, purchase order, date, parties, everything is like a header name, everything you can see, buyers, bill to, everything, whatever the field is you need to be in your document, it's already listed in this template is. But if you're working on some very generic document, you can use this feature, is generic feature, where you can work on the directly raw document, which is not come under this category. And then you can start to building your document and field, and then define those field, and it will populate for those fields. So let's this demo I'm going to start with the invoice. Let's start with the invoice. I put the so now, as soon as happy with this name and then description, you can just click the create button. Now here I would like to mention a couple of things. This is a landing page of your create document is. So the requirement of your document is listed over here. Upload your file. These are the supported file like PDF, PNG, JPG, and TIFF file is being supported with the IDP. And these are the minimum requirement, 150 DP for your image, or less than 8 MB file, or maximum 10 file. It is allowed with the IDP, this requirement is. So if your document is fulfill this requirement, or is coming under this requirement is, you can upload your file. Whether you can select this file or you can drag your file, drag and drop over here. So let's start. I'm starting the one of my invoice file. I'm just dragging over here and dropping in this section. So as soon as drag and drop, you can see this file is came over here. You can see your file information, everything over here. One thing I would like to mention here is field. About field is here your couple of field is mentioned. Suppose that signature. I haven't run this file because once I will run, then this everything will populate it. So before running, I'm just pointing over here is signature. As soon as your signature is defining threshold is 80%, then it will automatically approve for you. So that's what it is very important, how confident with your file is. Currently I'm defining a standard which is MuleSoft is also allowing minimum 80%. So I'm going with the 80%. If it's a confidence threshold confidence is 80%, then I no need to go with the human in loop. If it's going below your 80%, then you have to manually go into that particular section, and then you can make sure that it is approved for you if you are happy with those field information. If not happy, you can reject that one. So similarly, all field is like that. And also you can make it the required field. Any of your file need to be required. Any of field within your file is required. If it is not populating, then you have to go back. It will create the notification for your workflow, and then you can go back to your file and then look into those. Suppose that I'm making sure that some of the field is required. So as soon as you required field is, you can create this click button, create this button, click this button, and then it will come for you. So suppose that I just put the total is need to be required, so it will automatically come over here. Second thing is, this is also available as a tabular format. You can look into this one, which one is work for you, whether it is a field or a table format. It is based on your requirement. And then prompt is basically, suppose some of the information you want to get it done through your AI or agent force. There you can mention over here. I will show you how you can use it. This feature is. So let's run this file. As soon as you click this file, run. It is now running behind the scene. It is going through the OCR, optical character recognition, and then reading those all information and then populating for you. So all your hardware is getting done through your IDP. Now you see like a total 51 field is there, and then all field is being populated for you. And then you can see this is all field is coming from where. So now you can see all information is populated, which not found, it is coming as a not found. If it is coming, what is the due date? This is coming as a, I just put the required, that's why it's like you can see like the confidence is 99.97%. For this one, same thing is like all 99.98% is there. So I set the threshold for the 80%. Now it is coming as a 99.98%. It means it is above beyond the whatever I set as threshold. So it is automatically is being approved from within your workflow. Is like you can see all is coming like how it is look like 99.94. Everything is which field is populated is 99.94. Everything is whatever the field is populated is 99.99% approximately is coming average. So now you can look into tabular format too. Here you can see the couple of information is there, tabular format. You can see what you want to get it done. And now in tabular format, here you are seeing like what are the different prices coming, the different field, 99.99%, everything is coming as a 99%. So it means whatever threshold you set up for this document is perfectly working for you. Is you set up the threshold for the 80%, now it is coming to the 99%. It means all field is based on your requirement is coming as it is, and now you can directly process this document without going to the human in task, human in loop in this processes. Now let's go look into the how we can use this feature prompt. Is suppose that I want to use some file information. So now I put it this one. This is always one character. You can, if you put the space, it will not recognize, we will get the error. So make sure that you're following the this requirement is file info. I'm asking and prompting this question through the agent force or Einstein. What is the purpose of this file? I'm writing a prompt, and it is going to the AI side. It is pulling that information, looking to this document, pulling that information and display for you what is this. So just I'm prompting this one, just see what answer I'm getting. And this is, I set up the default 80% is. So now add, and now I'm running again this file so that your AI agent or AI will run on this file and then pull that information for you. So let's, it's now extracting those information and then it will populate this field. So now, so the purpose of this file is to do the serve as an invoice for battery replacement rebate program provided by the Vantage technology to the super company. Now you can see like this based on this document is automatically populate for you without going to the, this is a small file. I just, for your demo, I created this a small file so that you know how this thing is going on. Suppose that if it's a very big file, it is very hard to decipher what is the use of this document. So just you go to the prompt and you can ask this information, and your AI agent or your AI will get those information for you without worrying anything is. So now it is coming, you are happy with this information. Now you can save it. So as soon as you save it, this information is still in the IDP side. Now the question arises how we are going to use this file within our application is. So in this scenario, I'm going to publish this file, and then it will come. It will go to the AnyPoint Exchange. So suppose that I'm publishing this file, and now I'm publishing this document, this information into the AnyPoint Exchange. As soon as they publish into the AnyPoint Exchange, you can use it within as an API or your workflow. it is coming as an endpoint for you. So endpoint you can call directly to this endpoint. It is still publishing, just I'm waiting. It will come now. It is successfully published over here. It's went to the endpoint exchange. Now you can go back and look into the exchange side. Now you can see now you can look into the where it's now like so now this exchange populated over here. You can see like when this invoice came over here as a REST API. Now you can see there is a two endpoint is exposed for you. One is for the post. You can post this information into the your this API side, which you can validate. You can get the token and everything, and you can. And second endpoint is external ID. Based on that one, it is getting the information, get document action execution. So this through this one get information, you can get all your information from the document, and you can integrate with your. This is API call, so you integrate with your application or integrate with your workflow, and then all information is populated for you without worry about the what kind of file you are getting. As long as this 4 type of file is for you, just upload in IDP and then it process for you, and then you can extract those information and you can use it within your application or your within your workflow, and then whole your hard work is getting done by this IDP, and then you need to integrate this information with your application. This is how it is to look like. Now let's go back. So now it's invoice is coming. Now if you look for there's no reviews, add review. You can add your review over so that somebody can review your task and approve it, and so you can use it. There's nothing is because everything is is very happy. It's coming to the 99%, and that's why it's look like. So you just see is how it is easy to integrate this IDP within your application. It's just button click and then it integrate everything seamlessly within your application without worrying what kind of field is coming, how I can process, what are the things I need to take care is. So this is a small demo for the IDP. If you have any question, feel free to reach out to me. I will put my information here, and then you can subscribe, like this channel, and feel free to reach out to me if you have any question. Thank you very much for joining this webinar. Thank you very much.